Hey, it's Tony with another video. I got some wheel covers from Tesla. It's a silver wheel cover. What I have is I have a black one, so I want to try out the silver one. So let's put it on and see how it works. This is the actual package. So this is from Tesla, right? So it's well packed. Let's open up and see. So this is the wheel cover. I have the black version of this, but this looks pretty good. So I'm going to put this on and see. You can actually put a logo, Tesla logo, or other logos here. You can buy, right? They did send me a logo for Tesla, but I'm going to put a Tesla one since it's going to go to Tesla. This actually a full cover. It covers the rim also, not just within the rim. So this is full cover. It's going to cover the rim also. Let's see what else is in here. So they give a couple of things. The cover. This is actually a cover that goes here. This is Tesla. This is black one. This is a Tesla one. This is actually to pull the wheel out. This is easier. This helps. It's a double-sided tape. What it does is you can put this on here and stick it so that way it won't create noises. Sometimes it creates noises. With my old one, I didn't have to put it, but if when you drive, if it creates noise, then use this. So it comes with the bag. I think you could put your old one here and keep it. Thank you for Tesla. Any coupon code in description, so check this out. So let's put it on. So this is the one. It's gonna goes over here. This is the one I have. So I'm gonna put this on first, and I will put the rest of the stuff. All you do is you just put it in here and pull it, right? For me, I don't need it. So I'm just going to wipe it, then put it on. So I'm going to put this on again. If it makes noise, make sure you put that other tape here. So all you do is align this over here. That's it. So I had the black, right? So it's a black one, same thing. That's a silver. I think I like the silver better. Okay, while I'm installing this, let me show you the brake. It's like I hardly ever used. It looks like brand new.